What are you and Frank doing, Billy Joe? And Dr. Smalls? And Gray Tip? Gray Grape? Big Ed? Bigger Bee? What? You like bonking with Frank? You guys hunting honk goose or grackle? What you doing, Marvin? Marvin. Here's a grackle. Here goes a grackle. Do I hear a snarls, cat? Auckland. You cleaning your pelt? What you guys doing? Ursula! Give me an accounting of yourself. Ursula. Did you bite anyone last night? Ursula. You did? Did it hurt? Ursula. You're awful quiet this morning. Winston and Misty. Yeah, we don't do that game. How's the baby boos? You guys like the new cage setup? Do ya? It's like a minefield with toys everywhere. Do you like being in the tube? Scrabble. Miss Gannis? Gannis? Don't scare me when you sleep like that. Good girl. Franklin. Frank Farm. Frankie Farm. Yeah. "7 inches, don't hit my friend Frank."